and welcome to Coleman Tarot. My name is H.E. Coleman, and this is going to be your reading for Wednesday the 12th of July. Wednesday the 12th. Here we go. I hope we're not going to get the Three of Swords again. We had that like twice this week. Okay, here we go. Okay, the Nine of Swords. And then we have the Ace of Wands. And then we have the Page of Wands. Excellent. Okay. So, the Nine of Swords. This card is about being afraid to go out into the world, being afraid to present your ideas, being afraid, maybe having self-doubt. Now, you can see that she's crouching behind this little tree, and she's saying, I just want to hide. I just want to live in my own little world. I just want to hide over here. But that's okay to do, but this owl is telling her, look, it's okay. This is just fear. It's just self-doubt. You really don't have anything to be afraid of. You really need to get out there and join the rest of the human race because there's great things out there. And this person says, I don't know. I'm just going to hide in my little hut over here. Okay? And then over here we have the Ace of Wands. And the Ace of Wands is about a brilliant new idea or a brilliant new beginning. Okay? So maybe when you're over here, you might be deciding that, okay, I'm going to just stay home and just hide. But you're going to get a brilliant idea or a brilliant new beginning. Now, this can also be a pregnancy card. This could be a card about the start of a new relationship. This could be the start of a new project, like a new book, a new idea, a new song, whatever it is that you care about. This is a new beginning that you're going to be really, really excited about. Okay? And the fox is there because the fox is about cunning and intelligence. So that's why saying it might be a new idea. For a lot of people, it's going to be a new idea where you're suddenly going to say, oh, I want to try this. This is going to be amazing. Then you have the Page of Wands. And the Page of Wands is about good news of a passionate nature. It's something that you really care about. Okay, wands are about passion and excitement and energy. And this is saying good news. And there's a little kid here because this card is usually the Page of Wands is usually associated with a child as well. It's like childlike energy and childlike excitement. And so that's why they have a little child on here. So this is you being really excited about a new project and a new idea. All right? So you might be starting the day in fear and you might be hiding in fear, but it's not going to last because you are going to have a new idea that's going to make you really, really excited and really, really happy. Okay? It's a big switch between hiding behind the stick. And it's funny because this is also a stick. This stick is also a wand. It's also like she's hiding behind the stick, and then because of that, maybe she has this passionate new idea. Okay? The Ace of Wands and the Page of Wands. It's all about the thing that she's hiding behind. That's a stick right there, and then she turns it into a wand. Okay, there's a wand there. So you're going to have an exciting new idea, an exciting new and good news. Good news right off the bat. And I hope it's the same idea. It might be a different idea, but I think it's going to be the same one. That you get an idea, you're really excited about it, and then instantly you try something and you have good news. Or you might say, oh, I want to see if this is going to be a good idea, if it's successful. And then maybe you'll tell someone and they'll say, oh, this is great. This is a great idea. Or you might research it on the internet and find out, yeah, this would be a great idea. There is a demand for this thing that you want to create. Okay? Now your Fate card is going to be... Let's see, getting these two. These two are both flopping out. Okay, the Minstrel. Let your intentions be known. So you don't need to hide behind the stick. If you have an idea, you might want to share it with somebody, like I was just saying. You might want to take it out there and share it, and then you can become even more excited because you can tell somebody and they'll say, yeah, it's a great idea. And you'll get some good news that way. Okay, this is let your intentions be known. Tell people what your idea is. The Oracle. Okay, this says, seek wisdom and guidance from elders. So this is you as the child. This is you going out and saying, okay, is this a good idea? What should I do? And then elders are people who are your mentors, people who are out there that are more experienced than you, people who are more experienced in life, can tell you if it's a good idea or not. They can tell you, yeah, why don't you try this? Why don't you try that? Because this is about getting good news. So share it with some elders. Share your idea with people out there who can help you. Okay? So this is what you're going to have for today. You're going to be a little bit scared, a little bit nervous, get a brilliant new idea. You're going to be brave enough to share it with people. They're going to be really enthusiastic about it and excited about it, and you're going to let your intentions be known, and then they're going to be able to help you to develop this idea. Okay? Have a great day.